Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. We are still in Ghana and today we are making Poloo, authentic Ghanaian coconut biscuits. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you so much. By the way, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Let's get into the cooking. Thank you. For ingredients, we'll be needing our flour. We are using brown sugar, but you can also use white sugar, margarine, powdered milk, coconut, water, pinch of salt, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. So these are the ingredients we'll be using, and also oil for frying. We'll be needing oil for frying. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for cooking. We'll start by adding the dry ingredients to the flour. So I'll go ahead and add my powdered milk, and I'll add a pinch of salt and the sugar. And I'll mix everything, and I'll go ahead and add the cinnamon, just a teaspoon of cinnamon, all the dry ingredients together, and I'll add my margarine. With your fingertips, you rub it in like you are making your short pastries. The butter was also the margin was 75 grams. Growing up as a child, Poloo used to be my childhood favorite. I love Poloo so much. You know, I think everybody loves Poloo because of the coconuts in it. The flavors, wow, in Poloo will really always draw you to it. Whenever they are frying Poloo and you are going to school, you wait for the woman to prepare it before you buy it. And sometimes we are even late for school because of Poloo. And I'll go ahead and add the coconut. This is the coconut fibers I got from making the coconut abelewos. So as I said, that thing is waste in the kitchen. So we've used the milk for the coconut abelewos, and now we are using the fibers for our Poloo. I will add some vanilla extract. We'll start mixing it with water. Not too hard, not too soft, just like your pastry, your short pastry for the meat pies and the chips. Perfect, because we are going to fry it, so we are going for this consistency. Not too thin, not too thick, in between. Not too thick, not too thin. You roll on it, then you cut the edges. It's very important. Make it a little bit. You cut the raw edges from it. If you have a scissors, you can use it. I always prefer to use the knife. Easy to make. It's also a very nice business for people to make extra money. Because I used to also make it for sale. I remember I used to make it. Even in Europe, I was making it. So you can make extra money from it. It's very easy. You need few ingredients. It doesn't cost a lot of money. We start frying our poloo. Our oil is ready. So we start putting our poloo. Always in a deep frying. It's very important. Deep frying. You really have to fry your poloo, your chips, all these types of stuff in deep frying method. Not too thick, not too thin. Our poloo is ready, so just go ahead and remove it from the oil, guys. Look, crispy poloo. What is the English name for poloo? I was saying coconut biscuit, but my daughter said not, it's not. So please guys, if you know the English name for poloo, comment below. Nothing is waste in this kitchen. The coconut fiber I got from the coconut milk I use for the ice cream, I believe that is the same thing I'm using here, guys. So you know, nothing is waste. You don't have to throw your coconut fibers away. You can always use it for something else. Authentic Ghana poloo papa bi. Guys. Let's go ahead and fry the second batch of our poloo. Always in deep frying method is the best method to fry your chips, poloo, whatever. My mother used to twist some and make it like this, so let's try and see. She used to twist it like this and put it in the flour. She would twist it like this and leave them in the flour. So these, let's see how they will turn out. I said earlier that my mother was making them for sale. So she will twist some and make a different style with them. This is deep frying method, so you just leave it and it will just fry. Our second batch of poloo is ready. Guys, just have a look. Very crispy, golden brown color. Look, it looks so delicious. crispy Ghana Poloo or coconut biscuits. Please comment below. I really want to know the English name for Poloo. Our Poloo, authentic Ghanaian Poloo, is ready. We are going to serve, guys. Just have a look. Poloo papa B, and I are ready. Hey, wow! Look, very dry. There's no oil in it. Just say a dry and kasa. Very delicious. Look, guys, isn't that amazing? Look, it's ready. Wow, our authentic Ghana Poloo, guys. You are all invited, guys, but one unfortunately you cannot come and eat with us. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, authentic Ghana Poloo. But if you're new to this channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please, I beg you in the name of God, subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you so much. By the way, give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. We are still in Ghana, so there's so many videos to watch out for. Watch out for more amazing sensational videos from Ghana. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Kiss kiss. Bye.